Hi friends, today I'll show an elaborate chicken recipe called BHARLA MASALA CHICKEN. I have freshly made 2 different curry pastes for this recipe. Hope you like it, it's very easy to make. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 650 grams of whole chicken and I have cut it into medium pieces just like these. So I've used some boneless as well as the ones with bones. Here is the first curry paste. I'm going to make dry fruits paste using some almond slices, cashews and raisins. Ginger and garlic paste, lemon juice, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, red chili powder, 1 medium tomato, 1 big onion and some dry coconut slices. First we are going to marinate the chicken with 2 teaspoons of turmeric, salt to taste, ginger and garlic paste and lemon juice. Give everything a good mix and coat those chicken pieces with this marinade. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. While the chicken marinates, let's go ahead and roast our other ingredients. Fry the dry coconut slices. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to fry the coconut slices on a medium-low flame. So, once they are done like these, take them out. Next, fry the onions. Now, remember that we have not added any additional oil. We are just going to fry these onions with the amount of oil that was already there. Once the color changes and it's golden brown like this, take them out. And next, fry the tomatoes. Since the wok is too hot, it kind of pops the water out. So carefully first cover it and then gradually toss it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. As the tomatoes become soft, give it a toss and you can take them out. All the ingredients are now well roasted. We are going to let them cool down. While they cool down, let's make the dry fruits paste. So take a grinder and put all the dry fruits in, and we're not going to add any water, just grind it as it is. And you'll get a powder like this. The roasted ingredients have now cooled down. Let's put them in the grinder and make a fine paste. Frying them in the cast iron skillet always adds that extra flavor. So if you have one, use that and you will feel the difference in flavor. Make a paste like this, nice and mustard color. So take it out in a bowl. We have our curry paste ready. Our curry pastes are now ready. Put the flame to high. Once the wok is hot, add about 4 to 5 teaspoons of oil. Spread it like this. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken. Saute it well. We are going to saute it on the high flame for about 2 minutes. Now cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Flame is on medium-low, and now you notice that there is a lot of water released from the chicken. Give it a good mix, and cover it and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes. Let's open it and some water is evaporated. So saute it for about a minute or so. Make sure that all the water is evaporated just like this and take it out in a plate. It is about 80% cooked. Keep it on the side. In the same wok, add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, red chili powder, and curry paste. Mix everything really well. Turn the flame to medium-low. Take your time to mix everything. Now add the dry fruit powder into it and again mix it really well. Take out all the lumps. Fry these masala paste in oil and red chili powder and cumin seeds. Such a nice flavor comes from the pot. Now cover it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's open. Wow, such a nice aroma. Give it a quick mix. Add all the remaining salt. Add the garam masala powder and mix it well. Now add about 1 cup of water. Gradually mix water and the curry paste together. Even out the consistency as you like it. I have made this a little thicker curry, but if you want to thin it more, you can always add more water. Cover it and let it simmer. After about 4 minutes, you notice that there is nicely simmering and boiling up. Give it a mix. Now we'll add our fried chicken. So very gently drop it into the curry paste and very gently mix it. Be very careful as you do it. And coat all the chicken pieces with the curry paste. Cover and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open it and give it a toss. It's been cooking on a medium-low flame. Now the chicken curry is ready. Go ahead and switch off the flame. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy this bharla masala chicken with a roti, rice, paratha or a naan or even a dosa. It looks very good and it's such a nice flavor. I'm going to enjoy this bharla masala chicken with a dosa. Give it a try and let me know if you like it. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.